I'm back at the house. Uruguay played Brazil tonight and it did not go the Uruguayanians' way. They got their butts kicked. Pretty good. It was 4-1. That's it for part one. Tomorrow we're going west. We're gonna go to Colonia del Sacramento. That's it. Colonia del what?
Sacramento.
Colonia del Sacramento. And there's breweries out there. There's good food out there. See you in part two. Look at my place, man. Look at that. Look at that place right behind me, man. Donkey Kong would be so proud. The landlord lives on this property. There's about 4 little kind of treehouse kind of shacks that he rents out to Airbnbers. It's great. There's dogs running around. The weather's been phenomenal. I love looking at these vineyards from our balcony. We're taking off right now. We're gonna go down the coast. We're gonna eat good and we're gonna drink good. What's going on, guys? We made it back. It was a great day. Literally walked around all of Colonia del Sacramento. I highly recommend checking these places out. For any future trip you plan on going on, tomorrow we're going to Montevideo for the last leg of the trip. You guys are all legends for watching this. Cheers to you guys. Cheers. Till tomorrow. Cheers to eating good and drinking good. All right, that's it. This is our last day in Colonia del Sacramento. I'm finally saying it right. Let's go to Montevideo. Montevideo, capital of Uruguay. Let's check it out. We got the kitchen in here. I don't know what's going on with that sink thing over there. A little living room action going on. Here's the bathroom. It's got the nasty old person seat shitter though. Here's the bedroom. We're 8 stories up. It's kind of crazy. There it is. What? So that's it. We're gonna cruise the town. You know what time it is. Time to eat good. Time to drink good. So that was it. A nice little 5-day vacation in Uruguay. I highly recommend traveling in this part of the world if there's ever an opportunity, without question. Great people, great food, great overall culture. Shout out to my mom Carol for making this possible. We love you and we'll see you down there again very soon. If you missed the first video where we partied on the east coast of Uruguay, then you can click on this link right here. And thanks again so much for watching, guys. As always, cheers to eating good and drinking good.